GST LUT filing, simplified by Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If you're an exporter of goods or services from India, there's one essential compliance step that can save you both time and money. Filing a GST Letter of Undertaking, or GST LUT. At Filings Corner, we specialize in error-free, hassle-free LUT filing, helping you stay compliant and improve cash flow while focusing on what you do best, growing your exports. Let's break it down. What is GST LUT filing? A Letter of Undertaking, LUT, under GST allows exporters to supply goods or services internationally without paying IGST upfront. Instead of paying integrated GST and waiting months to claim a refund, businesses can simply file an LUT and export tax-free, making the process more efficient and less burdensome on working capital. Benefits of filing a GST LUT. Here's why every eligible exporter should file a LUT. 0 IGST payment. No upfront tax on exports, improved cash flow, avoid refund delays and unnecessary fund blockage. Faster export processing. Less paperwork, quicker clearances, simplified compliance. Stay aligned with GST rules without extra financial strain. Who can file a GST LUT? If you're any of the following, you should consider filing an LUT. Exporters of goods or services. Regular or merchant exporters, GST-registered businesses, with a clean compliance record. Entities with no outstanding GST dues. Filing history should be up to date. Startups or MSMEs, entering global markets and want to avoid IGST burdens. Documents required for GST LUT filing. You'll need a few key documents to complete your LUT filing. GST registration certificate with GSTIN, export invoices as proof of your transactions, bank account details linked to your business, GST LUT form, RFD 11, filled via the GST portal, past filed GSTR1 and GSTR3B returns, board resolution for authorized signatory in case of a company. Don't worry, Filings Corner guides you step by step and prepares everything for you. What happens if you don't file a GST LUT? Not filing a LUT can lead to serious drawbacks. You'll need to pay IGST on every export, increasing upfront costs. Refund claims can get delayed for months, affecting cash flow. You may face penalties and legal action for non-compliance. Your business could come under unnecessary scrutiny or audit. That's why timely LUT filing is not optional, it's essential. How Filings Corner helps you. Here's how we take the stress out of GST LUT filing. Eligibility check. We confirm if you qualify under GST guidelines, documentation support. From invoices to board resolutions, we handle it all. Accurate filing on GST portal, avoid errors and rejections, refund assistance. If IGST is paid by mistake, we help claim refunds. Custom advisory. We tailor our service to your specific business needs. Whether you're a first-time exporter or a seasoned global trader, Filings Corner is here to make it easy. Affordable and customized packages. We offer flexible and budget-friendly plans for startups and MSMEs, service exporters, merchant exporters, corporate businesses. GST LUT filing starts at a very affordable price. Get started with Filings Corner today. Let's help you streamline your exports, improve cash flow, and ensure you're 100% GST compliant. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to file your GST LUT quickly and professionally. Filings Corner, your compliance, our commitment.